Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at Creators Theory. In today's video we'll see how to create a zoom in transition and zoom in effect in Filmora. But before starting this tutorial, if you don't have the latest version of Filmora, then make sure you download it from the link in the description below. And if you're new to this channel, then make sure subscribe to our channel for more Filmora related tutorials. So let's get started with the tutorial. As you can see, I've already imported all the media in the bin. So let me just bring them into the timeline. So here I will be cutting the first video at 4 seconds maybe, or even 3 seconds, doesn't matter. Let me cut it at 3 and I will delete the rest part. Now I'll bring the second video into the timeline. So how we will be doing it, we'll add a zoom in transition from this video into this wide zoom out of the couple. So this will be a transition, and after that we'll go with a zoom in, little zoom in of this particular picture. So we'll just zoom in, not a zoom in transition, it will be just a zoom in effect. So let me just cut it at maybe 4 seconds over here. So this will be this cut will be total for 1 second, from 4 second to 5 second. So I will cut again at 5 second. So this over here. So make sure this second cut is of 5 second, 1 second total. So from 4 second to 5 second, so 1 second total time. And then this will continue to be in that cropped motion of zoomed in. So let me just clear things out. So let us first go into the zoom in transition that we are going to see. So just go into the transition, and here you will see wrap zoom 3. So just bring this over the two videos. And so one thing I missed out before saying this is that if this video, as you can see, this video is fitting the screen, but if it is not fitting, then make sure that you fit this into the screen and you don't have any black bars around it. So since it is already set, so I'm not worried about that. So let me just play this zoom in. As you can see, the zoom in transition happens. You can increase the time by expanding this, so it takes more time, as you can see. So you can play around with that by increasing the speed and all. So now let's get into the second part, which is a zoom in effect that we wanted to see, that we saw in the intro. So here what we will do, we'll just select this second video that we cut, this second part of the second video, and here we'll click on crop, and here we'll go to pan and zoom, and in pan and zoom we'll select the end part and we'll just drag it over here. So I'm dragging it at the bottom, so that as you can see, I'm aligning it with this man over here, so that this is a reference for me to align it in another video. And make sure you note this 2048 into 1080. Okay, so let's just click OK, and let's see how it is. And as you can see, once this video zooms in, it goes back into the normal video. So what we need to do for the second video, we need to again crop it, but this time just we'll go with the crop, and here we'll select 2048 and 1080. So it automatically selects 1080 as the resolution. And here, as I said earlier, I need to align it with some reference point. I used the man as a reference. I'm using this reference point again to align the same frame in the video to continue. So now let's just see. I've also added some sound effects. So let me just add some sound effects over here. So let me just enable timeline snap, and here let me just align this, and I will cut short this rest of the video and the beginning, so that the sound effect is only for this part. And now let's just see the complete effect in motion. I think it is a little laggy. Let me just pre-render it and then play it again. Let me delete this rest of the part and let's just render it. So we have rendered it. Now let's just play the video and let's see how the zoom and transition looks. As you can see, that's it guys. With this simple guide on zoom and transition, we have already created multiple video about zoom in and zoom out transitions, so you can check them out by clicking in the top right corner. This is just a reminder. I wanted to show this how to create a zoom in with a sound effect, so that gives a really intense effect. So I just wanted to create a video around it. So I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. And see you guys around. See you guys in another video. Till then, see ya.